Hi guys, Candida here, and these are the CozyLux set of 2 pillows. I have the queen size for my bed and they fit perfectly into my pillowcase. What I like about these are they are nice and fluffy. They are super soft with the microfiber cover on the outside, but they are perfect for stomach sleepers, side sleepers, back sleepers. I usually start out on my side, but inevitably I roll over onto my stomach often, and this doesn't cause a kink in my neck. My husband sleeps on his back, and these are perfect for him as well. Another thing that's really important to me is these are machine washable. So on laundry day, we are able to throw these in the washer and throw them in the dryer. I do use tennis balls to help keep them nice and fluffy, but if I need them to add a little bit more, I can just simply shake them, wiggle them around, and make them come to life a little bit more. Here you can see when I lay down on my back, not only does it support my neck, but it also supports my shoulders. If I roll over, I've still got support as well, and my head just sinks right in here where it helps keep my neck nice and straight so I don't wake up with a kink in my neck. Overall, we've been extremely happy with these. They have lasted well, they washed well, and they perk right back up. So I hope you found the review helpful.